Hmm. How hard can it be? Hmm.
Hmm.
So about the motherboard, it's an Intel DG41 something WV. So I found this on eBay for a cheap discount of 10,000 rupees.
Wasn't that wish.com?
Oh yeah, whatever that is. E5700 LGBTQ Kasab gave me for you don't want to know. So about the RAM, I did a big brain move. I bought an 800 megahertz Kingston 2 gigabyte DIMM and a 1333 megahertz LabCat 2 gigabytes DIMM so that it can work at 1333 megahertz in dual channel.
Oh yeah.
What are these drugs? Hey, why are you recording that? Stop it.
No, no. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please.
So about the case, I bought it for 9,999 US dollars on Alibaba Express because of its great ventilation.
Ball.
So about this super duper advanced graphic card that doesn't need a fan at all, we have MSI's Nvidia's GT710. So for storage, we got Seagate 500 gigabyte Barracuda. These are faster than an soft speed drives, SSD also known as, because they don't move these moves.
They don't revolve. They revolve.
So next piece.
This is more a power supply. My drug dealer gave this to me.
For how much?
Free.
Damn.
This is LG Modisc CD drive. It is the best component of a PC. Even our gaming PCs don't have this. This is a fan for cooling.
So our $10,000 gaming PC build is finally complete, and look at that beautiful cable management we have done. Can you compete with that? No, we cannot. So let's start.
Okay.
So our PC build is finally finished.
Ooh yeah.
Now let's see the real beast.
Boot it, boot it, boot it. A dual monitor setup.
Every gaming PC needs dual monitors.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Boot it.
So I preloaded Windows in it.
Warning, warning, warning.
Oh no! Anyway.
Okay.
It's normal.
It's normal.
Yes.
Okay. Battery warning क्यों आ रही है?
Hmm?
Battery warning.
Oh no, oh no.